All right, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I was planning on doing a live stream today, but with the rocket launch, went off at 4. It was awesome to watch, but I really didn't get home till about an hour ago, and still haven't ate dinner yet. So what we're gonna do tomorrow when we come into class, we'll still have our tests like usual. And if you're watching this tonight, awesome. If you see it in the morning, that's awesome too. But the first 10-15 minutes of class, if you have any questions about the content or any questions about what we need to be doing and how to help with your homework, you can go ahead and do that. If you just hopped into live chat right now and you have a couple questions about chat, let me show the live chat. So all right, I can do some help. Jonathan, what did you need help with? What's up, Julian? I don't understand cancellation. Okay, so I actually just had to explain that to somebody. So I'm on my phone. So let me do a couple things. Let me plug my phone in so we don't get we don't die during the process. And then I can show you cancellation. Do you have a certain problem, Jonathan, you want me to work on? What's up, Julian? Hey, Jonathan, you sending that problem through? Who else just hopped in here? It's on the first page. I don't have the first page with me, so you got to write down the problem, Jonathan. Teacher pay teacher. Hey, Jasmine, how are you? Were you happy the Eagles won the Super Bowl, Jasmine? Okay, so 4/5 times 3/8. I was just happy to see Tom Brady not win, Jasmine. I was hoping he got hurt. Jonathan, I hope you can see this problem right here, which is going to be 4/5 times 3/8. And the way cancellation works, Jonathan, is we can do something called cross simplify. We can go this way, or we can go this way. And what we need to do is, if we look at 5 and 3, we need to find out if they share any common factors, Jonathan. But 5 and 3 don't, because they're a prime number. So then we look at 4 and 8. Is there a factor that goes into both 4 and 8? So there is. And the greatest factor that goes into 4 and 8 is 4. So 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 8 two times. Then when I multiply, I will get 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And 5 times 2 is 10. So my final answer would be 3/10. Now, to be honest with you, if you don't know how to... Haha. I wish you were in 5th grade again. I love teaching 5th grade. If you need algebra help and I can help you, Jasmine, just send me a message on YouTube and I'll try to look into it for you. Jonathan, if we didn't cross everything out and we just did 4 times 3, that would give us 12. And then we did 5 times 8, that would give us 40. And if we just did that, then we would have to simplify it. And I know that 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 4 goes into 40 10 times. So you end up with the same answer, Jonathan. But this step, when you cross cancel, this step right here will show the example. And this will simplify it quicker. Another thing to show you real quick, Jonathan, if you're still in there, which I hope you are, is there was one on the back. I don't know who Divergent Field. So the first thing we have to do is 1 times 48 and add 25, which would give us 73 over 48, which gives me an improper fraction. Then I need to multiply it by 36 over 50. What's up, Scott girl? So, Jonathan, when we talk about cross-canceling stuff out, remember how I said we can go this way or this way? 73 and 50 don't share any common factors. 36 and 48, however, do. (48) and 36 share 12. So 12 goes into 36 3 times. 48 goes into 12 goes into 48 4 times. So then you would do 3 times 73, which is 219, and you would do 4 times 50, which is 200, and you would still have to simplify that, which would be 1 and 19 200ths. But do you see how crossing simplified, dividing that by 12, dividing by that by 12 makes the 73 times 3 is a lot easier than 73 times 36. 4 times 50 is a lot easier than 48 times 50. Did you have any questions, Angelina? So I'm going to do a little research, Jasmine, on that whole algebra thing. Next time I'll be on, I'll have an answer for you. Hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. You know what I'm going to do? So I'm going to give out a code word for bonus points on your test tomorrow. All right, so the code word for the test is WW2, which means World War II. If you come tell me World War II tomorrow, that's the game I'm going to be playing later, I'll give you 2 bonus points on your test. Hey, Angelina, let me show you something. 4/5 times 3/8. Jonathan's already done this problem. The way we talk about cross-canceling something out is if you go like this, and I'm on my phone, so bear with me, and we look at a problem like this, we can see if any of them share a multiple or a factor. 3 and 5 are prime, so they don't share a factor. I wouldn't tell anybody, Jonathan. 3 and 5 are prime, so they don't share a factor, Angelina. But 4 and 8 do share a factor, and they share 4. So if we did 4 divided by 4 would give us 1. 8 divided by 4 would give us 2. And then we can go ahead and multiply. We can do 3 times 10. And that would be our final question. All right, you guys got any more questions? I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go eat dinner. I'll wait about 10 more seconds, see if any questions come in. Hey, Jasmine, if I don't do a video before Friday, good luck. It was nice talking to you. Scott girl, Jonathan, I'll see you in the morning. What was the thing we were supposed to tell you? Right there, Julian. Oh, what does the dot stand for? The dots can mean multiplication. So when we multiply, we can do something a couple different ways. And Jasmine will already know this. If you do 4 times 2, or you can do 4.2, or you can do 4 parentheses 2. All that means is to multiply. So that would be 8, 8, and 8. It's just different signs to multiply. The reason they're putting a dot there because in 6th grade and as you get into algebra, you might do something 4 times x, where x equals 2.